Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the solution on how to fix and reset the diesel glow plug warning light. For that reason, I've done a deep investigation with all the mechanics in the workshop where I am right now. When the glow plug light stays on or starts flashing, the first thing you need to do is check the glow plugs themselves because they're responsible for getting the diesel engine ready to start. If you find that one is burned out, simply replace it. But if several of them are failing, it's best to replace all of them to avoid the warning from coming back soon. After checking the glow plugs, the next logical step is to inspect the relay or control module, because even if the glow plugs are fine, this component can fail and trigger the same warning. If you see that the relay is corroded, burned, or shows signs of damage, it most likely needs to be replaced. Once you've checked that, it's also important to inspect the battery, since diesel engines depend heavily on proper voltage for the glow plugs to work correctly. If the battery is weak or low on charge, it can trigger the warning even when everything else is fine, so charge it or replace it as needed. With the main components checked, the next step is to make sure all the connectors are clean and making good contact, especially the ones for the battery, the glow plugs, the relay, and the engine ground. Sometimes a simple dirty or loose connector is enough for the system to throw an error. If the light still keeps bothering you, it's a good idea to rule out some common engine issues that can also trigger the warning, such as a clogged diesel filter, a carboned-up EGR valve, a faulty brake switch, or a damaged vacuum hose. Any of these can confuse the system and make it turn on the glow plug light. One more thing I want to add is that once you've checked and fixed everything mentioned before, the final step is to reset the light, either by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes or by doing the key cycle several times, meaning turning the key to the on position without starting the engine and then turning it off. This helps the system clear the warning and recognize the repairs you've made.